Hey, what's up, guys? Gamer Princess here. Today I'm bringing another video of The Sims. Today we're gonna be looking at Gshade and Reshade presets. So basically, it just makes your game look 10 times better. Like, not the old boring looking Sims. Like the game, awful. I've been using this for like 2 years now, I believe, and honestly, like I didn't even know this even existed. When I found out that this existed, I could not play my Sims without these presets. Like, come on, like you just can't. Like you can't go back. You cannot go back, y'all. So my favorite one is the Silent Hill. I'll show you guys in a bit. Silent Hill one is amazing. Like if you want to make like a horror game, like or make like your Sims like gothy and stuff like that, like or a haunted something, whatever, that preset is amazing. Anyways, let's get into some that I've downloaded. Oh yeah, and also this mod that I've downloaded, it's so cool, like fast. You don't have to like put in any codes or anything like that. You just go to storytelling toolkit and you go to here, and then you just say turn off headline effects, turn off. Yes, I felt the same way. It's like beauty. Okay, I'm sure y'all, some of y'all have it, but for the people that don't, thank me later, because this easy, no hacking, like okay, testing, none of that. But anyways, let's get into presets. So I'm gonna press. So I'm using, I believe it's Gshade. I'm using, not Reshade. I'm using Gshade. Oh my gosh. So in order to get it to pop up, you gotta press Shift Backspace. So today we're gonna be looking at the first one. Like, I wish there was a button where you can like type in a name so you can find them easier, because I've been having a hard time trying to like find them and put them in order for you guys. I'm so sorry. I really don't want them to be all over the place, so I want you guys to like pick and choose what you guys like. But okay, I found the first one. You guys are lucky. Okay, so this is the first one. You'll see it on the website too. I'll put them in order. So I'm not even gonna put the name on here, like on the video or anything like that, because they're basically already in order on the website, so you guys can see for yourself. So I'm gonna press play so you can. Oh, I hate that. Been having problems with my mouse, y'all. So this is how this one looks like. Okay, let's check out the next one. Bear with me, man. I think it's down here. It's right here. Oh, thank God I found it for you guys so easily. There's this one. It makes your game look cool. I don't even want to move my mouse right now, guys, because it's been giving me problems. Like, I don't want you guys to keep hearing that noise. Yeah, but I really wanted to do this video, so sorry. So I'm going to go on to the next. And most of these are from the blonde simmer. She is pretty. Her stuff is nice. I think this one is my favorite too, because like it blurs out the background, and I like how it makes my sim look. Like, this is good for taking pictures, I find. Yeah, love it. Next, Cloud9. I was having a hard time finding this Cloud9, but you know, your girl found it, so you guys don't have to like be like waiting. Fave. One of my fave. Like, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Let's try another one. I have so much, guys. I don't want to make this video long and boring, so um, I'm trying to go as fast as I can. To find these is, I don't know if there's a search button, like where a search bar where I can find these easily. Please let me know, guys, because I have to like sit here and like hunt. Okay, where is it? I know it starts with a D, and I know it's staring at me in my face. Probably I found it. Oh my god. Ooh, not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, on to the next. On to the next. So this is press 1 preset. I haven't seen press. Is that how you pronounce it? Press or presets? I don't know. That's 1. This is 2. To me they look the same, but yeah, you guys get it. This one. Oh yeah, you guys, and also some of them use like different lighting mods and stuff like that. I didn't download some of the stuff that's supposed to go with the presets, so you guys are gonna have to do that. I just downloaded just the basic. Some of them do require extra stuff to look like the actual preset, but I didn't want to like do all that, so I like the way it looks, just the way it looks. I love this one, like especially if you wanted to do like a spooky scene. You can do that with this one. It's very soft and like it's so easy on the eyes too, especially like if you wear glasses like I do. It's easy on your eyes. And this one is like everybody's favorite, I guess. It's well known. Dove. Nice. This one comes with other stuff to make it look exactly like the Dove preset. But guys, don't mind me if I'm saying presets or press or whatever. You guys get it. What is the one? This one. Like this one reminds me like, let's say if your sim is like dreaming and you want to make it look like she's dreaming or something, and like she woke up to a dream and this is her dream, like I think that would like be so cool, right? Okay, next one. I'm almost done, you guys, almost done. So we have, honestly I don't know what this preset, like what it really does, like, You see what I'm saying, where it's like so hard to find? I know it's staring at me in my eyes, but anyways, this one is eyes. It's called eyes. It's not bad, but I find some of them look similar, but this is called eyes, and the same one from the same creator. That one's called eyes, and then this one's called control, which is pretty much like just made it a little bit darker. We have Which other one? Which other one? Which one did I miss? Okay, so this one is the first one. So this one is in gameplay, and then the other one is just basically for CS. So basically like when you're creating a sim. So this is not bad. I like this one. This one you can also do like little gothy feel. Okay, this one is called Wine. Let's see, where is it? Next one is called Wine. I'm leaving my favorite for last. Where is the wine? Oh my gosh, I cannot find wine for the life of me right now. Like, oh my gosh. So guys, if I don't find wine, you guys can click on the link and see how wine looks like. Because for some reason, I cannot find wine. Wine, where you there? Okay, I found wine. Okay. This is wine. Giving so much trouble. Love it. Make everything look so... Makes everything pop out and look like cartoony. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. So we saved the... Well, I saved the best for last because... when I found Silent Hill, I'm like, that's it. But it's like only if you want to do a story mode, like do a story. I find Silent Hill is good for that. Like if you're playing like a normal like same game, maybe not, but yeah. Okay. And this is Silent Hill. Okay, your girl gotta go out. Like I wish I would have done this with the other ones, but I just didn't want my mouse to like mess up. But like this is Silent Hill, guys. Okay. Silent Hill. You guys may not be as excited as I am, but Silent Hill to me is everything. Excuse me. Yeah, so yeah guys, thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, please stick around and subscribe and ring that bell so you know when I upload a video. I need more likes and more people watching my video. Like, what are you guys dealing with? Yeah, so thank you for watching. Game Over with Princess.